Good day, thank you for watching Onixxweb Tutorial, your one-stop video tutorial channel. Did you know we can turn your photo signature into a transparent background that you can use to sign any document? Did you know that using Office programs like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word can turn any mobile photo image into transparent background? Well, Onixxweb Tutorial has helpful tips for you. I would appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so I can continue to post more videos. In this video, you can learn how to use Microsoft Word to convert your photo taken signatures into a real signature that can be used on any document. It applies to photos with one-color backgrounds. I urge you to watch the entire video. Here's how to do it. Write your signature on white or bond paper. With your smartphone, take a picture of your signature as clearly as you can. Consider avoiding any reflective lights when taking the photo. Orient your camera with the signature away from the shadow to prevent color loss during conversion. In Microsoft Word, as you can see here, there is a ready-made sample document. You may want to add your signature at the bottom of the document and send it to your team. You can download and copy the signature photo by sending the photo through any messaging app or by email. Download the photo and then copy it into Microsoft Word. You can now crop the photo to fit your signature size after it has been copied successfully. Once you have cropped the image, click outside of it to see the results. Once cropped, resize it as large as you like. To access the color options, click the photo again and click the Format tab. The tab can also be changed into Format tab by double-clicking the photo. In the upper left corner, you can find the color option, which enables you to choose your favorite color. When choosing a color, choose one that eliminates the foggy background. For this video, I will use a black and white format since it's a signature, then click to see the results. It is evident that the background has disappeared. You will need to use the snipping tool to take a photo of the signature. Replace the old formatted signature with a snapshot photo by copying it from the snipping tool. As soon as the photo has been successfully copied, before we begin, let's make changes to the wrap settings so the photo is free to move. Let's move the picture to see if the background is transparent. Click the photo and go to the Format tab, then Color tab, and this time click Set Transparent Color. Point your cursor to the color you want to become transparent, obviously the white background. And boom! This is what we have. And yes, the signature becomes transparent and more realistic. The color of the signature can be chosen either from black or blue at the color options above. Let's then move the signature at the proper location and resize it based on the size you want. This method applies to any cropped text from PDF files or photos. I hope you found this video helpful. Please accept my thanks for watching.